Honorable judges and teachers, Namaste, and very good morning to all of you. I am Adarsh of KV number 3 Pathankot. I have joined here to present our NCSC project under the sub-theme that is Design Development and Modeling for Sustainable Living. The name of our project is Alternate of Electricity as Solar Energy. I have completed this project under the guidance of Sir Pawan Kumar. As we all know, today we are mostly dependent on the conventionally generated electricity. Today, 52.6% of the total power in India is generated by the usage of coal. It must be noted that of the total power generation capacity, 60.4% comes from the fossil fuel. Around 37.9% comes from the hydroelectric source and around 1.7% comes from nuclear source. Around 97 crore ton of coal is annually consumed by India and around 1.58 trillion rupees is spent on it by the country. The usage of these fuels causes a lot of pollution and environmental degradation. Thus, the conventional usage should be replaced by solar energy. According to the survey done by us, the common questions we asked to the people were: question number 1, do you often get power cuts in your house? And 22 people said yes. The second question was, do you use energy as an electricity source in your house? And 6 people said yes and 16 people said no. The third question was, do you get any concession for solar panel installation in your house by the government? And 7 people said yes and 15 people said no. The next question was, do you think solar energy is the best alternate for electricity? And all of the people agreed with us. The next question was, does it help to protect our environment? And 22 people said yes. The sixth question was, is solar energy easy to use? And 22 people said yes. The next question was, is use of solar energy more conventional than the conventional source of energy? And the 9 people said yes and 13 people said no. The eighth question was, can solar energy replace the conventional electricity in future? And 22 people agreed with us. In an average, people spend 5,000 rupees on the electricity bill, and that was reduced to 2,500 after usage of solar energy. Thus, the results of our project are: the solar energy, which is a renewable resource, can be used as an alternate of electricity. The benefits we can get from utilizing solar power can be seen visible during the long run. The conclusions of the project are: solar energy is one of the most abundant energy resources on earth. The use of solar energy is a great way to contribute a cleaner future. This renewable resource is a clean and safe alternative electricity solution that can be used to reduce harmful pollution. The solution to the problem is solar energy, that is renewable resource, can be used instead of coal, that is non-renewable resource, in producing electricity. In the coming years, improved technology will ensure that solar becomes even cheaper. It could be that by 2030, solar will have become the most important source of energy for electricity production in a large part of the world. Thank you.